More sales without spending money is something we should all be aspiring to. Anyone who has a business, the biggest challenge is to not have your overheads blow out while you're trying to get more sales in the door. And when we can look at things cost effectively, there is an increased opportunity to be more resourceful and save time and money.
Hey, I'm Serena Ryan. I run Dollarized e-commerce agency. I'm a mum of two. And my son said, "Hey mum, don't you like spending time with us?" He stopped me in my tracks to realise I'd had it all around the wrong way.
More sales without spending money. I know I look at this unconventionally. I'm not a financial planner or an accountant, but I look at this from a lifestyle point of view. What is the lifestyle I want, and how can I get it by making the most of the money that I have, without putting myself into the stress of earning more to spend more? In this video, I'm going to cover 6 key tips that I have found work to grow sales without spending money. If we can get those things done first, when we do spend money on advertising, our dollar goes further. Tip 1. Reduce the number of clicks to purchase on your website. This means you will have the opportunity to speed up the purchase process. And who wouldn't love that? We all have busy lives, not just you as a business owner, but your customers as well. Making it as quick and easy as possible makes their lives easier, and they're not distracted from purchasing. Reduce the number of clicks. See if you can add things like an express card option, or the simple act of putting the ability to purchase on the homepage straight away. A buy now button also makes our lives easier too. Speed up that purchase process and see how you go. Tip 2, add an abandoned cart email to your website. If you're on the Shopify platform, they make it super easy for you to do so. And you just need to go into your settings there, and by default it is there automatically. You can watch another video if you're not sure how to customize it, and the link for that is in the description. Customizing it will help with conversions as well, so don't hesitate to get stuck in and get that done. First step though is get it switched on, and for those who get distracted and haven't completed their purchase, it's a great way to pick up sales without having to spend any extra money to get it done, because with a Shopify website that you've done or you've had even do for you, it's super easy to get into that back end and get it activated and happening now. And don't forget to check out that video in the description, because being able to customize that email will make it go from good to great. Tip 3, get testimonials from your customers. Use your Google Business Profile. It's available for you to use complimentary thanks to Google, and you have the ability to easily get a link in your Google Business Profile and send that out to your customers and get them to do testimonial reviews for you. That enables others to see why it's great to work with you and build that trust factor. Doing this is a really cost-effective way to be able to get those things that customers love about you and use them to your advantage. Put them on your social media as well, and also put them on your website. If you're not sure how to access or even set up your Google Business Profile, there's a video in the description that can help you with that as well. Check it out and make the most of the free resources available to you from Google. Tip 4. This is one that not everyone does, and I know because we can also feel a little vulnerable asking it, but it is so powerful if you get brave and just get in there and do it. Ask your customers what they don't like about you. This even could be those who were going to work with you or haven't worked with you yet, and they didn't for some certain reasons. Find out what those reasons are. These are your objections. These are the things you could have spent more time refining and doing better. You won't know until you ask the question. When you can know those reasons, it enables you to improve what product or service you are offering and help people even more, and also help yourself even more. It's worth investing your time before you invest your money in trying to get more sales in the door, to understand those little niggles that could be holding your business back. Tip 5, Regularly check your insights and analytics. You're doing a lot in the digital space if you have a website and are doing social media. That means data is being captured, and that data tells a story. Find out what that story is. What social media posts are working. Your insights for your social channels will tell you what's being engaged with, and this is beyond getting a like or even a comment. It's understanding what has been clicked on, and that's not always visible to the naked eye. It is something that is seen when you check the insights, because every click matters. That means that there is engagement, and shares matter too, and you don't always see those on the post immediately. All those engagement pieces increase the visibility of your posts. So make the most of understanding what is working and resonating with your customers and potential customers, and have the heart to actually then not just understand and see the data, but take action on it. Metrics, analysis, and action is really important for continuous improvement that will reduce you spending money on unnecessary marketing activities. Because if you can amplify what is working, that keeps your budget of marketing down. If you want to understand this process better, the link for that is in the description. Tip 6, engage with your posts. All that content you're putting out there will perform better if you're engaging with it. And you get a side benefit of building relationships as you do. If someone comments on your posts, read them, understand them, respond to them. Every time your posts are interacted with in social media, that counts as engagement, and that means those posts will get shown to more people because they'll be deemed more valuable. This is a really underutilized opportunity, and it gives you that maximizing of what you are doing in your activity. Engage more with your posts, share those posts, comment on those posts, and be aware of what your customers are commenting on as well, and make the most of it. When we do this, we are reducing our marketing spend because we're making the posts we're already doing work harder for us. What other tips would you add? Put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you find this video valuable, amazing, give it a like, and pop in the comments what tip you find most valuable. Subscribe to the channel to get videos weekly on how to make the most of your budgets in business and life.